Hello friends, welcome to InfyGyan. Today in this video we are going to solve one very interesting question from rational equations for the real values of x. So let's get started straight away by writing our denominators cannot be equal to 0. So our answer x cannot be equal to 1, 2, cannot be 3. Now we will rewrite our equation x square plus x minus 1. We will write x square minus 1 plus x over x minus 1 plus 2x square minus 8 plus x over x minus 2 plus 3x square minus 27 plus x over x minus 3 equals 6x plus 17. Now we are going to use a square minus b square formula over here. Here we will take 2 common out. Here we will take 3 common out. So we can write x square minus 1 square plus x over x minus 1. Then we'll take 2 common out. So in the bracket we'll be writing x square minus 4, which can be written as minus 2 square. Then we have plus x, and in the denominator we can write x minus 2 plus 3 is common. In the bracket we can write x square minus 9, which we will write minus 3 square plus x over x minus 3. This must be equal to our RHS 6x plus 17. Now we have to apply a square minus b square formula in each of the numerator brackets. So we will get x plus 1 times x minus 1 plus x over x minus 1 plus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 2 plus x over x minus 2 plus 3 times x plus 3 times x minus 3 plus x over x minus 3 must be equal to 6x plus 17. Now we will split our numerator with respect to our denominator, and we can write. Let me write here equation first. Now we have to split our numerator written terms with respect to our denominators. So we can write x plus 1 times x minus 1 over x minus 1. From there we'll be getting x plus 1. Then we have plus x over x minus 1 plus 2 times x plus 2 times x minus 2 over x minus 2, which will cancel x minus 2 from the numerator and denominator. We will get 2 times x plus 2 plus x over x plus 2. Similarly, we will get 3 times x plus 3 plus x over x minus 3. This must be equal to 6x plus 17. Now we have to simplify, and we will get We'll write x plus 1, 2 times x plus 2, 3 times x plus 3 all together. So I will write here x plus 1 plus 2 times x plus 2 plus 3 times x plus 3. Then we'll write fractional terms. So I will write x over x minus 1 plus x over x minus 2 plus x over x minus 3 in the LHS. And in RHS, we will write 6x plus 17. Now we will add these terms first. So x plus 2x. From here we will get 2x plus 4. From here we will get 3x plus 9. So x plus 2x plus 3x. We can write 6x plus 1 plus 4 plus 9, which is 14, plus x over x minus 1 plus x over x minus 2 plus x over x minus 3 equals 6x plus 17. Now we will subtract 6x from both the sides. So 6x will be over. Now we are going to subtract 14 from both the sides. So plus 14 and minus 14 will be cancelled out. 17 minus 14 is 3. So in the RHS we can write 3. In LHS we will write these three terms only. So I will write x over x minus 1 plus x over x minus 2 plus x over x minus 3 equal to 3. Now we can take x common. So in the bracket we will be writing 1 over x minus 1 plus 1 over x minus 2 plus 1 over x minus 3 equal to 3. Now we are going to use substitution. Let us say x minus 2 equal to u. So from this equation of substitution, I can write x minus 1 will be u plus 1 and x minus 3 will be u minus 1. And for x, we can write u plus 2. So let us convert our equation in variable u. We will get u plus 2 in other bracket 1 over x minus 1. There we will be writing 1 over u plus 1 plus 1 over x minus 2, which is our substitution. 1 over u we will write plus 1 over x minus 3. We'll write 1 over u minus 1. And in RHS we have 3. Now we are going to club these two terms first. So we will write u plus 2. In other bracket we'll write 1 over u minus 1 plus 1 over u plus 1 plus 1 over u equal to 3. Now we are going to take LCM over here. So we will write u plus 2 times, in the denominator we'll write u minus 1 times u plus 1. In numerator we'll be writing u plus 1 plus u minus 1 plus 1 over u equal to 3. Now plus 1 and minus 1 will get over. u minus 1 times u plus 1 will give us u square minus 1 square. We will get u plus 2 times 2u over u square minus 1 plus 1 over u equal to 3. Again, we are going to take LCM. So we will be writing here u times u square minus 1, and in numerator we'll write 2u times u, so 2u square plus u square minus 1. In RHS we'll write 3, and this coefficient is u plus 2. Now in numerator we'll be getting 2u square plus 1u square is 3u square minus 1. In denominator we have u times u square minus 1. We will cross multiply. Let me write u plus 2. In numerator we'll write 3u square minus 1 over u times u square minus 1, and in RHS we'll write 3. Now we will cross multiply. We will get u plus 2 times 3u square minus u equal to 3 times u square minus 1. Now we will expand our LHS. We will write 3u cube plus 6u square minus u minus 2 equal to 3u times u square is 3u cube minus 3u. Now we will subtract 3u cube from both the sides. Now we will write all the terms to LHS. 6u square minus u plus 3u minus 2 equal to 0. Or we can write 6u square plus 2u minus 2 equal to 0. Now we can take 2 common out, or we can divide this equation by 2. We will get 3u square plus u minus 1 equal to 0. Now we will be using quadratic formula. We have a value 3, b equal to 1, and c is negative 1. We'll be using formula u equal to minus b plus minus a square root of b square minus 4 times ac over 2 times a. Now we'll be plugging all the values of a, b and c. So I can write the value of u will be equal to minus 1 plus minus a square root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 times 3 times minus 1 is plus 12. And in denominator 2 times a, 2 times 3 is 6. In place of u, we will write x minus 2. In RHS, we will get minus 1 plus minus square root 13 over 6. Now we have to add 2 to both sides to get our final answer. So we can write x will be equal to 2 plus minus 1 plus minus square root 13 over 6. So 12 minus 1 is 11. We will get our answer 11 plus minus square root 13 over 6. So we have two real solutions, 11 plus square root 13 over 6, 11 minus square root 13 over 6. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye-bye.